You know, I have worked as a corporate MC all around the world, in Hong Kong, in Cambodia and Thailand, in California, in Hawaii and New Zealand and South Africa, and of course every fancy conference and resort venue across Australia. And at almost every assignment I have done, I have always included this. I call it BWC. Let me tell you about it. You can download this off our website, and I'll put a link to that up there and in the description below. But BWC gets a huge, guaranteed laugh from everyone in the audience because it involves everyone in the audience. But more importantly, it gets them focused on you. You can download the instructions from the website, and you could be doing this 30 minutes after you do so. It uses some simple components that you can find around your house or at your office. Some cardboard, a felt pen, and maybe some sticky tape or paste. And you get full instructions and simple script and lots of tips. It's now being used by hundreds upon hundreds of performers and entertainers all over the world. Teachers and speakers and trainers, entertainers, MCs, Scoutmasters and ToastMasters, and youth activity coordinators. And yes, it works equally well with children as it does with adults. And it packs flat, plays big. You just keep it in your briefcase, in your folio, or in your showcase, and there's no setting up. It's always ready to go. So if you want something that will get every eye focused on you and everyone in the audience participating, you need BWC. Check it out via the link above or in the notes below. I'm Timothy Hyde. I'll see you next time.